Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Daily English Practice channel. Today, we're going to learn 10 useful phrasal verbs and practice them with 3 examples each. Let's begin. Holding up, coping well, remaining strong. For example, after losing his job, he is holding up surprisingly well. After losing his job, he is holding up surprisingly well. How are you holding up after the accident? How are you holding up after the accident? Despite the pressure, the team is holding up nicely. Despite the pressure, the team is holding up nicely. Move on. Continue with life after a difficult event. For example, it took her months to move on after the breakup. It took her months to move on after the breakup. He lost the job, but he quickly moved on and found another opportunity. He lost the job, but he quickly moved on and found another opportunity. It's time to move on from past mistakes. It's time to move on from past mistakes. Looking for, searching for. For example, I am looking for a new apartment. I am looking for a new apartment. She is looking for a better job. She is looking for a better job. The police are looking for witnesses to the incident. The police are looking for witnesses to the incident. Sent out, distributed, or mailed. The company sent out invitations to all its clients. The company sent out invitations to all its clients. I have sent out several job applications this week. I have sent out several job applications this week. They sent out a warning message before the storm. They sent out a warning message before the storm. Signed up for, registered for. He signed up for an online English course. He signed up for an online English course. They signed up for the marathon last month. They signed up for the marathon last month. She signed up for a cooking class. She signed up for a cooking class. Give up, stop trying, quit. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your dreams. She didn't give up even after several failures. She didn't give up even after several failures. She decided to give up eating junk food. She decided to give up eating junk food. Turn up, appear, arrive unexpectedly. My missing keys finally turned up under the sofa. My missing keys finally turned up under the sofa. He didn't turn up for the meeting. He didn't turn up for the meeting. A great opportunity may turn up at any time. A great opportunity may turn up at any time. Taking up, starting a new activity or hobby. She is taking up photography as a hobby. She is taking up photography as a hobby. He plans on taking up yoga next month. He plans on taking up yoga next month. Many retirees take up gardening. Many retirees take up gardening. Look into, investigate, examine. The manager will look into the complaint. The manager will look into the complaint. We need to look into the cause of the problem. We need to look into the cause of the problem. The police are looking into the matter. The police are looking into the matter. Standing by, supporting and remaining ready to help. My friends are standing by me during this difficult time. My friends are standing by me during this difficult time. She promised to stand by her decision. She promised to stand by her decision. Thank you for standing by me when I needed help. Thank you for standing by me when I needed help.